Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 9th, 2021. We're going to give you all a price prediction for Apple stock. But before I do, this is your first time watching our video, you guys see how simple our price charts look. You appreciate, giving you all the heads up as to where we're expecting price to be. And you're learning so much of understanding what is the market and what is the trap and how to anticipate price movement. Before you head out, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. You can join us on our website as well if you want, HueFinancial.com, in order to see all the other plays that we are following within the stock market. So now, I sent out a community post to everyone on our channel on yesterday asking which price prediction would you want to see today, which is March the 9th, 2021, and overwhelmingly everyone wanted to see Apple. So we're going to go ahead and give you all the Apple stock price prediction today into the market. It's quite funny how no one voted to see AMD stock. I thought that was pretty funny how no one really wanted to see a price prediction into the market in AMD. I know that that particular stock is a bellwether in terms of getting attention, within the media as well as on social media, and to not have no one vote for it. This seems funny, but nevertheless, we're going to give you all the price prediction for Apple. And I wanted to start off though to show you our simulated portfolio real quick. We're seeing two stocks that are in our portfolio currently down. One of them is Aveo. We talked about that on last weekend of how we're going to have to watch that particular market. Might have to let that one go because we're definitely not seeing any strength coming into the market, especially being down 11.34% right now. And you can see the other one that we've added recently, which is the Power Shares ETF. We're down almost a tenth of a percent right now to the market in that particular forecast, and everything else is up. Even while the market, for the most part, has been in a downtrend, especially the NASDAQ, the technology sector, those stocks have been taking a beating, and the ones that we picked so far in our simulated portfolio is still healthy for the most part. All right, so let's go ahead and look at Apple though, because we actually did a prediction in the market in Apple on February the 5th. Okay, we kept our prediction on the weekly time frame, right, under the premise that we're going to continue to expect the market to go higher in price. We did, following our prediction into the market in Apple, the market could not maintain price above $138, and it happens that way. And then as we continue to see the market in Apple trade, I want you all to see how the weakness came through on the week of January the 25th, 2021. We did our video again right here on the week of February the 1st, and we anticipated the market to go higher. And then we zoom in, and you all can tell that we could not break that trend, that restriction line right there. We couldn't do it. That's why the market in Apple is down as of this particular moment, because of this reason alone. We saw the same thing happen back here on the week of December 28, 2020. So going forward, we understand now that $138 is the massive area to where we are seeing the market hit selling. Okay, so this is not right. Our prediction that we did on February the 2nd, February the 5th, did not go right. It was wrong. So if we were to get out right now into the market, we'd be down 16.4%. Right? It happens. It goes that way. I mean, we didn't call it, and we would have kept on this prediction because of this reason right here. Okay, this week, February the 16th, the market in Apple came and sustained that trend. It was the next week that we would have to come in and take that out as a loss right there, because we understood that the restriction area of $138 was broken. It was still intact. It could not break that to the upside. That's one strike. The second strike is that the market broke the ascending trend. So now we are under the premise that we are no longer in a uptrend in the market in Apple. That's the first thing. We are no longer in a uptrend in the market in Apple, right? You can even see if we were to take the market this way, how we still broke the trend, right? You can see that. So we're not seeing the market in Apple in a uptrend anymore. So what we need to do, since we got that out the way, there's only two other directions that the market can trade. Do you know what they are? The first one is we can see the market in Apple continue to trade within the channel, or we can see the market in Apple continue to go lower and lower in price. Now, obviously, we're in a downtrend within that. So what we need to see into the market in Apple is where can support come into the market. There's two areas that we're seeing. Okay. The first one is relatively close, right? We can see it coming to the market around $112. Okay. We can see that come to fruition. If not that, it's going to be 108, no lower than like 106. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to extend this out into the market in Apple. We already know that the upper range of the channel of restriction is right there around 138. So now this is the channel that we are seeing into the market in Apple. Okay. This is what we're going to expect the market to continue to bounce in this channel, and then we'll break it higher, or we'll see the market in Apple break this to the downside. Those are the only two ways this market is going to trade. Okay. Now within this time period, we're seeing the market giving us weakness. So at some point, we're going to see the market grab some support in Apple. So now we are in position. We are understanding what is the current environment in the market in Apple. Because right now we're definitely here in the market seeing weakness. Okay. And look at this on the 5-day time frame. We're seeing the market in Apple still giving us some weakness. And one of the things that we can really emphasize and see is that, you know, bigger institutions are participating in this market selling. They are not buying the dip. They are selling the dip. They're taking the profits off the table. And once they see another attractive price, then they'll come back in and purchase more shares. Okay. So I still suspect we got a little bit of more room to the downside. 115 back down here to 112, like I told you, to 110. Okay, I'm definitely seeing that on the longer time frame in the market for Apple. And right here, seeing this on the the 3 weeks time frame, the market in Apple is still garnering weakness. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our prediction real quick into the market in Apple. Okay, so let's do this on the daily time frame now. And we said that the market still has some weakness to go through. We're going to be real conservative in that weakness. Like I said, you know, right here will be our first area of TP, which is around $114. It's about $2 away. So that's about 2% profitability into the market in Apple in that sense. But again, we would definitely take it to around 112, okay, which is about 3.5% profitability into the market in Apple. Okay. Now, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market in Apple come all the way down to these lows right here, because we've seen the market test this area for support 3 times. And I want to show you. This is the first one. This is the second one. And then initially we found restriction trade in that area as well. Okay, so down here towards 105, you know, $108, we can definitely see the market in Apple find that support. So we'll ultimately take the TP there around 108, and that's it. So we're in position to see the market in Apple give us a little bit of weakness, but the overall trend that we're seeing into the market in Apple is still pretty much trading within this trading channel. Okay, current movement in that channel is just one of lower price. All right, so that's it. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.